Hi, I just want to tell you something very interesting. As you know, I've been pondering this quandary for quite some time, this concept that with humanity, given enough time and a large enough group, everything devolves into chaos. I want to point us to two things, one in the Old Testament, one in the New Testament. The account of the Tower of Babel, and they had bricks and asphalt, and they built a city and a tower that reached into heaven. And God saw what they did and said, hey, let us go down and confuse their languages. Now nothing they desire to do will be stopped from them. And they were confused. They couldn't understand each other. Their languages were changed, and they spread out and multiplied over the globe. And then in Acts, in the upper room at Pentecost, something happens. Something interesting happens. The Holy Spirit comes. Before it comes, Jesus tells them specifically, don't leave Jerusalem till the Holy Spirit comes. And they're in the upper room praying, all in total about 120, which I think means the apostles, Mary, some of the women, the 70, and 20 or more so converts up to that point. And when the Holy Spirit had come and different tongues had descended upon them, and they spoke in the Holy Spirit. Except now, in Acts, we get a list of people from all these different places that are confused and baffled because they're understanding what's being said in their own languages. Quite a fascinating thing here. Revealing to us, in fact, the new covenant, revealing that it is the language of the Holy Spirit that each human can hear, that it is the message of the gospel that unifies, fixes, that brings things into one accord. I find it quite an interesting contrasting comparison, and you might too. Talk to you soon.